Body. Our or an animal's hands, legs, head, and every other part together. Body. Under stress, the body can produce adrenaline. Body. Hand. The hand is the part of our body. It's at the end of your arm and we use to grab and feel. Hand. My hands hurt from all the coloring. Hand. Finger. Fingers are the long part connected to our hand. Sometimes the thumb is not included. Finger. I jammed my finger in the door. Finger. Arm. Arm. Our arms are connected to our shoulders. Arm. He broke his arm in the car accident. Arm. Foot. Our foot is at the end of our leg and we use it to stand and walk on. Foot. I dipped my one foot into the water. Foot. Leg. Our legs are what we use to walk. They're connected to our hips. Leg. The cat rubbed against my leg. Leg. Knee. Your knee is the joint in the middle of your leg that helps it bend. Knee. The little boy cut his knee when he fell on the rocks. Knee. Back. The part of our body between our neck and our legs that we can't see. Your back. The gymnast landed wrong and hurt her back. Back. Heart. The heart is the part of the body that pumps blood to where it needs to go, all throughout the body. Heart. The unexpected news sent her heart racing. Heart. Stomach. Your stomach is where all of your food goes after you eat. Stomach. The taste of the unfamiliar dish turned his stomach. Stomach.